it's our ending power supply diagram, and it's a pattern that we just need to continue this to making a new power supply stable and powerful, enough powerful. In this schematic, after I am using a 3-output transformer and using a rectifier, diode rectifier, and making my output voltage more stable and closest to the DC waveform shape, I using a 70 for making, for example, for making a positive 5 and negative 5 volt. I am using a 7005 and 7905 regulator, using 2 more capacitor for more stable output voltage, and using a LED plus a resistor to showing me this channel or this output is on or off, or it's working or not. In this circuit, I am cause I need to my output power supply can handling 2 ampere, can providing my circuit 2 ampere, and each regulator can providing about 1 ampere. I need to make them in parallel, and I am make it parallel 7805 and paralleling with another 7805 regulator. So this regulator give me 1 ampere, and another one give me 1 ampere, and this one and in this one goes sum, and the result is 2 ampere. For negative 5 volt, the story is same. Just my regulator is changed with 7905 regulator. To making it positive 12 volt output, we need to using a 7812, and for negative 1 we need to using a 7912 regulator, just changing the place of the regulator with this number, and we need nothing more change, nothing change, or no change maybe. And for the positive 15 volt and negative 50 volt, we are using this numbers regulator, changing the place of them, and I have this my voltage. In the same of previous schematic, this capacitor and this capacitor, here is wrong, it's C3 not C2. This capacitor and this capacitor going to must be 100 microfarad in 35 volts. This one, this capacitor, and this capacitor. It 100 nanofarad ceramic one, and this capacitor must be same and equal to 100 microfarad and 25 volts. I am making a preview of my ending circuit of power supply, and I need to have a 2 positive 5 volt, 2 negative 5 volt with 2 ampere. So I am using 27805 for negative 27905. So 1 positive 5 volt, second positive 5 volt, first negative 5 volt, second negative 5 volt, and it's my 12 volt, 3 output 12 volt, positive ones, first, second, third, and it's negative 12 volt, first, second, and third. In 50 volt, cause sometimes I need to using this 50 volt for my switching piece, like transistor, MOSFETs, or IGBTs. I need more ampere, and about 3 ampere is pretty good. So I am using 7850 to having a 15 volt, positive 50 volt in 3 ampere. Each one can provide 1 ampere, about 1 ampere. And for negative is the same. And I am going to soldering them and make my power supply. Oh, one more thing. To placing the regulator, cause this kind of regulators become some heated or sometimes be warm, I must provide enough space between them for providing the air circulation and make it cooler with air. Or if I need to adding a heatsink to them, I have enough space to adding the heatsink to my regulator. For soldering them, I am going to show you how we can soldering and other things. Thank you.